The graph below represents the distance in miles, y, that car A travels in x minutes. The table represents car B. So in your workbook, you should have a graph for car A and a table for car B. Our job is to determine which car is traveling at a greater speed. So we need to find out how many miles per minute each of these cars are driving. In the graph, I have several points to choose from. I could choose the point 3.2, or that one at the very far corner is 12,8. When I find the rate, I do like I would with slope. I want the y's divided by the x's. Since this is proportional, we can use a y and an x. We don't need to find the distance between them, but we could if we wanted to. So from 2 to 8, that's a change of 6. And from 3 to 12 is a change of 9. So the difference in the y values is 6, and the difference in the y values is 9. But if we reduce, we could see that that comes out to 2 over 3. And so that would be the same as taking the y divided by the x. That is the slope of the graph for car A. So car A travels 2/3 of a mile per minute. Car B, if we look at that table, we have the values 15 and 12.5 and 30 and 25. The y values increased by 12.5. 12.5 plus 12.5 gives us that 25. And the x values increased by 15. So to find their rate, we're going to do 12.5 and divide it by 15. The y values divided by the x values, or the change in the y values divided by the change in the x values. This is 0.6 repeating, and then this other one over here for car B comes out to 0.83 repeating. So when it asks which car is traveling at a greater speed, this one goes more miles per minute than this one over here. So car B travels faster. 0.8 miles per minute is faster than 0.6 miles per minute.